She was been like Jacob's age.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Are you gonna mop? Here. Thank you. You're gonna help mommy? Okay. Thank you. Oh, okay. I got it. You got it? Oh, thank you. Okay. Thank you. You finished? You did such a good job. Oh, you're not done yet. Oh, okay. When you finish, give me the mop so when you're done, okay? Okay, thank you. We're done. Thank you. Thank you. High five.